Hello, dear children. Today we are going to start with the first chapter, Natural Resources, Air, Water and Land. Before starting the chapter, let us learn something about natural resource. Natural resource is something found in nature. People can use natural resource to meet their needs. Natural resources can be also known as the resources that exist independent of human actions. Common examples of natural resources are vegetation, animals, soil, minerals, sunlight, water, stone, plants, animals, etc. Natural resources are those resources that occur within the environment in their natural and original form. Mother Earth is abundant with natural resources that develop on this planet using its surrounding. Natural resources are divided into two parts, renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Renewable energy can be produced by nature again and again. It can also be replaced in a lifetime. Non-renewable energy, once used, is gone, can't be replaced in a lifetime. These natural resources are derived from the environment, while few of them are used for our survival. Like water, air, rest of them like coal, gas, oil are used for satisfying our daily needs. One of the issues that people aren't aware of are conserving natural resources. With the world's population fast approaching about 8 billion, the issue becomes one of the resource management as well. It is the one thing to practice conservation, but as the population grows, so too does the demand. Due to the progress in industrialization, their need for resources is increasing day by day. The natural resources are already in danger from the current demand placed on them. So, dear children, using alternate resource can help us preserve these resources for the future. So, dear children, I hope you have understood what is natural resource and how do we need to protect it. In the next period, we shall learn about the type of natural resources. That is, we will start with air.